Almost set for the 100 butterfly. Can Phelps do it again?
Okay.
He's in lane 4. Away, so the last individual swim for the greatest Olympian of all time. In lane 4, he wasn't first out. He's 7th at the turn though, and Cabbage is in front. Leclos was 8th at the turn. There's a lot to do for the champ, a whole lot to do. Diver leads Cabbage. Phelps, I don't know. Leclos coming home hard. Michael, I don't know. He's coming with a run with Diver. It's going to be close as Diver and Cabbage and Leclos. He's coming hard, Phelps. He's still a chance. He's a real big chance. Can he do it again? He hits it, and he does. Remarkable, stunning.
Exhausting for Debbie.
Okay, Balap Renang.
What a swim, Michael Phelps. 51.21, slower than the semi-final time, but he does it again. He said after Gaya, it's a cool thing to have on the CV. Well, he's got it on there twice now.
He's going to need some more room, isn't he, for that CV. So the only man to have ever won the one event, individual, 3 times at the Olympics, does it not once, but twice. And it was Beijing in a way all over again, coming from so far back. And I think there might be a tie for second. I think Leclos for second has got a silver. What a championship.